into how to use scope leads. In case you don't know, it's one of the easiest ways to find clients using a software which is really effective in how simple it works for you, and you can do so many big jobs. This is something that Parsons has done in the past. Now, if I want to do a new campaign, all I do is just click on the campaigns as I've done, click new campaign folder. Just to make it simple, I'm just going to call it test one. Test one. You can put a description or not, it's completely your choice. I've never really done it, but you can if you want to. Okay, so what does this mean now? This means I got a folder. The folder has obviously got nothing in it, so if you've done nothing, but if you want to search, we just click search. So we got all these different things we can search for. We can search, do a regular search, meaning we'll get them all. Social locking, SEO locking, schema locking, retargeting for Facebook, mobile view, video locking, review locking, SSL locking. So within reason, this program, to be fair, I think is a lot better than the majority of SEO programs to find clients. Because every one of these programs alone, every part of it, is wonderful in the sense we can do all different types of search to get clients. If you just want the regular one, we can do that. If we want to find people that like Facebook pages, Twitter, we can easily do that. People poor on page, schema, retargeting for Facebook. If you're in the PPC area, mobile view, video locking, review locking, SSL locking. We can also upload a CSV if you want to. I'm just going to make it simple and just show you how we do a regular search. We can do it all kinds of ways. Okay, let's just go with, for example purposes, I'm just going to make something simple. Let's just go with New York City. Just go with New York City plumber. Sorry, my computer seems to be a bit slow, but let's just go with New York and see what happens next. Okay, we also, which is quite cool, we got the India version. We got another part. We can do New York, so we can even specify in different towns, which is quite cool. Now we just click next. We can get extra leads. What does extra leads mean? It will basically mean you get a range of other things. This can be directory sites. This can be any kind. If you want to basically just try and get as many as possible, extra leads can be quite cool. Email results, I have to admit, I do find very, very cool and very smart. I'm not going to do extra leads at the moment, because this is just purely to show you what we can do with this thing. Okay, standard, finish. This does as well, which you'll probably find quite cool. It does actually load very, very fast. I find in most cases, please note the camera's on this now, so it'll be a bit slower, but I find it's done within around 1 minute normally, or at latest 2 minutes. See there, we've got details, got information, regular search. It's just searching this now. See, it's already even at 26%. 64, 99. See, already completed. You will find some of these will give you the name, some won't, but don't worry about that too much. You can still find the names that you want to yourself. You can see there we got the name of the business, we got saying check manually, we got there Lily, I think it's how it's called, Paul, Capital Merchants, Ken Roy Watson. So we got their phone number if we want to phone them. We can run it. We can just simply visit the site. We can see our social profiles. We got a range of powerful, really useful information we can use in the site. The main thing that's cool here is the emails. The emails itself alone to me is worth $69 easy. I find in general, when it comes to scope leads, to be perfectly honest, for the emails, I find it always work. I mean, I would guess it would be possible you might be able to find one email doesn't work, but to be honest, it's highly unlikely with scope leads. It's just really wonderfully designed. Now, if you're worried about the audit being really complicated and you're not understanding it, it's really, really simple. We just click Run Audit. See there, it's even going really, really fast. And you may be wondering, so what can I actually do with an audit? You can do multiple things. You can simply use it to understand the website better. You can use it to send to your client, say, hey, this is what's wrong with your website. I can help you. Would you be interested in discussing it? Something like that. You also need a better email, but just to give you sample purposes, just to show you how cool this thing works. It's just a camera making it slower, if not, it'd be done by now, in case you're worried about slow speeds. See there, you got a photo of me if I wanted that. We can create a public link so it's easy to share. We can see different facts, such as, say 0 to 20 images on your page. They all have an alt attitude, your title is too long, make sure to lower it. So we've got a range of cool facts. We've got facts about our page speed, we've got suggestions for a website. We've got a range of different cool facts to help us come across, if you like, more authority or smarter than the other person. See there, top rankings, position 9, position 13, position 7, position 15, position 8, position 2, position 6, position 4. So we've got all these wonderful facts. This is where CMrush comes in. Basically, you've got a CMrush API code, and this alone, if you think about how much CMrush costs, if I want to buy this CMrush, it would cost me $99 at least a month. So we got that. I can copy that and they can view it themselves. Or you can view it yourself outside of ScopeLeads and then show it to people. And this is just really a simple introduction into what you can do with ScopeLeads. They also have as well, which is quite cool and quite smart, is they've also got in our help center tutor videos. So if you've got any problems, you can get the help you want it. We've also got a support team who, if I remember correctly, I think it's like 9 to 5 you're roughly here. I think between Monday to Saturday. I think you go home on Sunday, but you've got help if you need it from them. You can easily email and they'll get back to you quite fast. So you get any problems, they can sort it for you. And that's all I want to cover. Thanks. Bye.